Oh, we're getting ready to go on a bike trip, week-long, onto the coast of Washington, Oregon, and Northern California. And we are packing the bikes. We got clothes in here and some, this is a waterproof bag here. So I've got my rain suit in there, and then it expands way out. So if we get any little trinkets or whatever, we can put it in there. And then clothes in that bag, in the saddle bag. This one here is a Harley Davidson bag. Fits right into your saddle bag if you pack it correctly. If you overpack it, you're not going to get everything, or you're not going to get your bag in there. So you want to watch that. Okay. So, 2021 Electra Glide Standard. That's my bike. And then Rob's bike is the 2023 Road Glide ST. Same one used in Battle of the Baggers. That won that race. Very nice bike. I enjoy riding it too. I like riding both bikes. But I really like my bike. He's got a new phone holder by Ciro. He's setting his phone up on there. And he's been able to video with it. He's already done some test runs. So he can video while he's riding down the road. I'm going to be doing my Insta360 off of here. I'm going to have it fully extended. Anyway, I'll get it locked in. But anyway, I'm going to have my Insta360 back there. So that's going to do all my sightseeing while we're down the road. I'm going to show you the setup I have on all my camera cards. And then, as people are riding along or driving along, they can see the back of my bike, and if they want to subscribe to my channel, Miss Jenny ISO, they can do so by my new QR code. We're going to leave tomorrow morning. You ready for this?
Yes.
All right. Good job.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm ready. I am ready. So one thing that I wanted to say about my camera too is that I'm not going to worry about my batteries, because in the Insta360 they only last about 30 minutes, and it's a real headache to be going down the road and have to stop every half hour to change the batteries. So what I've done is I'm using a USB. Right now I have it in the stored position on the bottom here. It's going to reach all the way up here to where my camera will be, but I have it wired and it's going all the way to here. So when my bike is on, it will keep the battery charged, and when my bike is off, then the camera will use its internal battery. That's tab performance on that bike. Screaming Eagle air filter. Yeah. Nice. Then I'm going to be... Yeah. How's it feel? Good. And then I've got my flag for Be the Boss of Your Motorcycle, Robert Simmons. And everybody will be able to see that as I'm riding down the road.
I told you we disturbed the neighbors.
Yeah, I came out here to complain. What's up with the weather?